everyone, I got a FotoPro Go Max tripod here. I'm going to show you how to convert this into a monopod. In some cases you might need to loosen the screw over here. There's a screw over here that requires an Allen wrench. So you don't have to take it out, just loosen it a little bit so that it is not, the screw here is pushing this head over here, so just loosen it a little bit down, that way it's not hitting the top part. Now, and the Allen wrench came with the monopod, by the way. So first thing you need to do is tighten the center column, then tighten this screw here too. Tighten this pan area, for panning, so it doesn't move. Tighten this so it doesn't move. Grab here and turn it clockwise. I mean counterclockwise, that way. Counterclockwise. There. And it pops out. Now that's loose. Take the bottom part too. Then see, the screw I'm talking about is this one here. See, when it's tight, when it's pushed in, it hits the bottom part of the head. See, it sticks out. So try to loosen that down. Now it's like flush, so this thing can come out faster. And that's it for that one. Now remove the part where the rubber is. Just spin that around. Now you got a monopod. Right here. Now you can loosen it, make it longer. And you can adjust the screw back in there. If not, you can leave it as is. Just make sure it doesn't fall down. Now you can loosen this here so you can pan. Now, if you want it longer, you go back here. Now you can loosen this one, loosen the center column lock. Remove this part. Remove this one. Put this here. Loosen this one. Let the screw. There's a screw in the bottom here. So all the way out. Put this one in here. Might not, it's sturdy, but now it's really long. Now you can extend it all the way. I believe, let's see. Sorry, you're gonna be out of the camera, but I'm 5'7", so it's way above me. So it's about 6 foot, I think. Let me get a tape measure. So I measured it and it's 70 inches long. So, and now to put it back to where it was, let's just go the opposite. Remove. Put the leg back. Take this out. You don't have to do this part here, but I like that flush. Slide it back in. Oops, sorry, this way. Lock it. Lock the center column again. put the, I like to put this one first. Now that's tight. Now lock, tighten, to turn clockwise, make sure it's sturdy. Now no wobble. Now you can loosen, now you can operate it normally. Alright, so that's how you convert this to a monopod. I'm just gonna tighten the screw back here. This is just for the minor adjustments. Alright, so that's how you convert your FotoPro Go Max to a monopod. Alright, I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time. Goodbye. Have a nice day.